This is part 3 of Eating Well After Critical Illness. This is part of a series by NutriBytes for eating well after critical illness. Please go back if you haven't already and view part 1. In this video we will describe some examples of how you can increase the nutritional intake that will help you recover from critical illness. For individualized advice, remember you can speak to your GP or a dietitian. This video was produced with the support of an educational grant from Nutrinovo, manufacturers of ProSource clinical nutrition products. The company has had no involvement or influence in the content of this video. Some fortified meal ideas include adding more butter or margarine to mashed potatoes, sprinkling some cheese over the top of them, or sprinkling some cheese over pasta, adding olive oil to your pasta as well. Adding some skim milk powder when making creamy soups. Adding toppings to jacket potatoes such as tuna mayo, cheese or baked beans. Some fortified desserts or pudding ideas could include choosing puddings that are higher in protein such as protein yogurts, or varieties such as Greek, Swedish or Icelandic. Rice puddings, ice cream and creme caramel would all be appropriate desserts to provide you with extra energy. Another way to add extra energy to your desserts could be adding double cream, ice cream, jam to puddings. Some savoury snacks idea include bread with butter or peanut butter, cheese or hummus, toasted crumpets, tea cakes, English muffins with butter or margarine, bagel, croissant, cheese scone with butter or margarine or some extra cheese, Scotch eggs, packet of crisps or nuts, sausage rolls, Cornish or cheese pasties, meat and chicken pie, samosa, pakora or bhajis. Some sweet snack ideas include cake, malt loaf, chocolate bars, custard, rice pudding, yogurt or ice cream. Avoid sugary options if diabetic, unless reviewed by your diabetes team. This has been a video on nutrition after critical illness, presented and produced by NutriBytes. Catch the final part of this series for information on dysphagia.